of these. Wow, I'm actually recording.
This episode is brought to you by Federal Ammunitions. Click the link in the description to see some of our favorite ammos for whitetail hunting. This episode is brought to you by Gunwerks, 1,000 yards out of the box. For those of you that know my wife and I, you know that we're very passionate about carrying every day and being responsible gun owners. And there's a reason for that. We have 4 little kids at home. It's up to us to be responsible gun owners enough that we can protect them. So if you guys don't know a lot about the USCCA, we've put a link in the description. Click that, check it out, read about them. And here's the deal, if it ever came to it that you would have to use your sidearm, which I pray it never comes to that, the USCCA has your back. Your first buck.